Here we go into the magical world of the car wash. Whee!
First, a light spray.
A light spray. What will happen next? Alien pee? That's what you guys called it. You guys called it alien pee. Here are brushes. Whee! Whee! Where's their alien pee?
I think it's coming up.
Oh, yay! Alien pee!
There we go!
Yay! Here it comes. Alien pee! Woo!
Wow.
Wow! We're in a rainbow. Cool. Where will we come out? The land of Nod. Or what would Michael Scott say?
I have no idea.
I don't know.
We're instituting prima nocta.
The land of prima nocta. Whee! Oh, they put new sides on here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, here's a hairdryer. Wee! Like you're a weirdo that you're like
filming the car wash.
They cleaned it up in here.